dan ye din komo efa jumia.com sane obetumi make at least 100 cedis e free jumia.com. Sa in komo no enene no ye beto aso. Men pro ho se obescape sa video. In fact, o men skip any part of this video. Esan say bibia making bia no be essential ebe boa motumi a make money online. So when hear previous video na abehwe sa previous video na no no kwan be paso a obey certain things. Okay, nti obekoko.jumia.com na wa sign up for account me say Jumia affiliate account. Okay, good. Nti after say wa sign up for account in a way no call jumia.com for website in so. Over jumia.com for website in so. Ma yen share one or two things yen pay product be, but before say e be pay product no or the ma yen ko Facebook na yen ko create Facebook page. Okay, for yen shop no ye create shop na ye de aton ade ye gina jumia.com for arbitrary so na yen so ye de make you money. All right, inti ko Facebook na e create page. All right, with me akọ pages na akọ create new page ni so nefa o page name ni hye na memfa category no. Okay, shopping services with me asasa or buy you know at any time. I'm in trouble bia keke etino after some we no na me ko create. Okay, into yento so na fa your website and she has say oh website na dia hye ho wini website and so dia nya hwe why nti ma memfa website we essential obitechnology.com. Email no memfa road to whatgh@gmail.com. My address no city no Accra, Ghana. You see zip code, but most of the time I about 00233 and the share bia. So one for be share no problem. With me as I set up working hours no. Also we dey online tino opa ghaianas. All right, which I can say always open. And this answer na wa set it up or time on it depend on the person here. No connect. Inti my create logo. Baby I be create logo no our website we say so. Logomaker.com. Maker no memfa yimba ansa wo de our number. Inka ho logomkr.com. Logomaker.com. Okay, now I can get started. Obetimi so app a graphic designer na wa ye logo na ma. Say uyo bia we name Cora Draw and I say Adobe Photoshop and any of the editing software you see obetimi create logo. But ye be create logo logo maker. Okay, we a test umia we so ebema ho kwan ma wa twero ne pese o twero bia. Okay, and I say open shapes umia we so ebema o shapes. Okay, and I will so ye paint bucket and I will see ye undo. Okay, nti ma yemfa test no na media na me say ye shopper man shopper man. Okay, nti ena how see your colors umia colors no hand so besesa. Okay, to baby a open no baby o de koto ye no me hu color cram you see. Okay, and I wait me so you see wait me change font no yeah, font type no and current font no railway and no na ye hu nti so person osesa na we me so I say no asesa to the your favorite. Okay, I mean share way shopper man. Okay, and I say per shape and so umia I say ni so shapes bebre ewa ha mame obetumi a type we ni no say we shopping shopping na yen search shopping. Okay, nti amayen images bia ebetumi use o drag we call a sora ebe small ade ko de be small. Okay, and as person sign also color na which me as why to any color that you want. Okay, o de yen fan say yen logo ni. Inti after say we design a logo no awie no na we me away so save. Open say or download the higher resolution na e just say we tuaka but bet me download it for free nti be me away say so na wa accept it no me download it so na ye save inti ye logo ni nice yenko Facebook back yenko upload as your profile which me to boss na why ni ye to boss na CC logo ni ye why na me fan share cover image ho so here there drag and then say open baby obenya cover image come on so bit me aba pexabay.com maybe I want to say shopping, okay? Shopping. Now, offer any of we know the air often pictures no. I'm in far way movie. Me a downloading so I download it. Now, yeah, fair no share cover image no. See you delete it. Into Facebook for because say invite your friends. Into no call invite friends in so. It's very important. It's invite friends. Now what send a request to your friends. To me select it or now what send it. Send a bill make me like a page, you know, at the amount. Why? No I connect. That is all. Obet me I done. Obet me I link it or WhatsApp account at the amount page, you know. My uncle so after you create Facebook page in a video, I can say you be making posts, alright? You make it posts. Now you and catching for attention. Okay? And see answer be making posting so no. My uncle complete the manner ebe with Jumia no. Okay. See uncle back to jumia.com for website and so. Now uncle search for product. Say obasa side where brands partners no. TCL ne Samsung ne enkan phone no take na ase phone no omo nyina wo omo shop e wa hase ya obetumi be promote omo product na omo turn o TV so omo ya advert o TV so ne ade no onso betumi e promote bi o de be to site ne so a obi koto free ho no a obenya commission e de free mu okay nti o de product bi a o Jumia bia no eno ane say obenya sa product no ne link keke ame enfa we nye example me nko brands honomo na me fa sa brand we say brand we omo product bi ankrofo topa hwe charger we say sa charger we ankrofo a order bebre a some also promote bi a ebetimi aboa okay we example keke na me de o nti we de product bi oneji hu bia no obetimi aton okay nti umia sa particular product ne so a na wahwe description no the same thing and now they beto o Facebook honomo okay nti my download the images no or the first of all kra no yeni kan enko hase yansa copy link no copy sa particular link to the product no na yenko co.jumia ho be bia yen affiliate ni wo no this side na ebra advertisement no na eco custom links ne so ne bia Jumia e-commerce ne so na ko Ghana afi paste your link na copy ya no hase okay you create your link ni successfully alright yenko Jumia na yenko download your images no this image we ho be hia ye na wa download next one after so download ye no copy title no e wa hase say product no description so I know say na be sign abaye but I think say say product we need description bia wa ha okay na yenko Facebook na yenko write something na yen paste wa ha say obetimi as a headline no ma no aye catchy okay send your person tro ni bia no atro okay me person me nyama bebre na ma na tintin no akọ images no na akọ fa images no e dey aba nti this one ebia na nyina enye relevant de ebeboa no wafa okay me de yen hwe so keke na me interest bia shop here okay ya dia link ne be ha say yen affiliate link no nti yen ko Jumia code ni so na yen copy yen link no okay after say copy link ne yen link we ewa basa e was say ye shorten link no nti yen ko bit.ly.com oko bit.ly.com na we scroll down about shorten link no we paste the link no na wako shorten a shorten link na my nti na wako pay open so we can create a free account na which may take you a cost of or clicks ebeba on every link bia na obe tracking. Okay, good. Nti yensan ko Facebook back na yem paste ewa ha say. So in this case no so be mia yen link we so I never call Jumia honomo now ako place order. Nti this one so open so o make it all this description e be kan ho a obetime aye ma me fa even sha say na emoji be kwa na de ye be bo emoji obetime the emoji bia opa bia de ahye honomo. Okay, and then now it looky attractive. Hey, me try to show here. Shop and I'm try to show now. Okay, make I say order now. Order now and I say order here. Any bro for be able to be na ye one. Okay. Okay, in fact I to bo say home. Na a description na ebe bo a try nsemo a be man na ye catchy, all right? Na efa ho, okay? Now I click it on posts. Inti after say we make it post no ewie no. Say obi ene giade na we post ni ho am. Obemia sa link we so. Yemia link ne se na ye hwede ye be. On say e dey na ba sales page of Jumia no. Na nipa ne make payment no. O make payment na that is all. And also when your affiliate commission. Inti even order now ne crampo no. Obetimi aka say order from Jumia. Okay? And I say bibiti sa. Obi anso ni say Jumia e credible marketplace as a auto ade free as na definitely a genuine on sa ebeka nti say e de wo link ne de ne ba Jumia obe won say oh sa o ye credible baby I fine. All right, nti no ebusia we any senior obeya with the Jumia any Facebook ebe meje mesan ba beto aso na matcha senior obeya obe boosti o Facebook page no na odi enya emfaso bebre e de a free website we say so bibia nya no your comment section as say wonya subscribe to channel no so na wa subscribe no what turn on notification bell no na bon kaye anytime may upload video bia e dey ato ha say like video no ntumi trend ewo YouTube aya no ma ye share videos na e dey enim ni mo back on my crowd for now.